In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter on this Volkswagen Jetta wagon. This vehicle has the TDI diesel engine. This is going to be located under the hood on the driver's side. Let's get into it. Now we're going to pull the air box up. You're going to use a T25 socket. Loosen up these screws. And just go around the air filter box, loosen these all up. All right, those are all loose. Grab the air box, lift it up. You can grab the filter underneath and pull it out. And take the new air filter, slide that in place, put the air box down in place, and we'll tighten up all these screws. Get the corners started first, just to make it easier. And just go around. All right, snug those down and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.